The model is launched in 3 versions, a front-wheel drive model with a 49 kWh battery and front and all-wheel drive versions with a 61 kWh battery. The driving range, WLTP combined data, is up to 344 km for the FWD model with the 49 kWh battery, 426 km for the FWD version with the 61 kWh battery, and 395 km for the AWD model. The batteries feature lithium iron phosphate, LFP, chemistry, which provides enhanced durability and cost advantages. A thermal management system helps ensure optimum battery temperature is maintained, including in very cold and hot conditions. The battery's lasting quality is supported by the Toyota Battery Care program, which guarantees a minimum 70% of the unit's original capacity is maintained over 10 years or 1,000,000 kilometer of driving, subject to an annual battery health check. The urban cruiser is an authentic SUV, from its robust design to its all-wheel driving capabilities. The electric AWD system, using an additional motor on the rear axle, delivers secure, confidence-inspiring performance on loose surfaces and slippery roads. Creating an open and spacious interior was a priority in urban cruisers development. Cabin and load compartment space has been maximized through clever design and intelligent packaging of the EV powertrain components. With the benefit of a 2,700mm wheelbase, the interior is open, spacious, and versatile, with a sliding and split-folding rear system that allows passenger or luggage space to be adapted with ease, rivaling the load-carrying capabilities of larger SUVs. The urban cruiser introduces an all-new battery electric powertrain with 2 battery pack options and a choice of front or all-wheel drive. Both batteries use lithium iron phosphate technology, which has the benefits of durability, safety, and reduced cost. With both units, the car offers prompt, linear acceleration from start-off, and at overtaking speeds, the car is driven by a compact and efficient e-axle. This incorporates an electric motor, inverter, and reduction gears in a single space-saving unit. Clever design, including a small diameter motor and a long shaft, has kept the unit small without sacrificing power and avoiding intrusion in the cabin space or, in the case of the AWD model. The load compartment, a 49 kWh battery, is available exclusive in the FWD model. Containing 96 cells, it has an output of 106 kilowatts, 144 din-HP, and produces a maximum 193 Nm of torque. The driving range, WLTP combined, is up to 344 km, extending customer choice. Toyota also offers a 61 kWh, 120-cell battery. In the FWD powertrain, this produces 128 kilowatts, 174 din-HP, and 193 Nm. The driving range is up to 426 km. In the AWD model, the system delivers more power and torque. 135 kilowatts, 184 din-HP, and 307 Nm, enabling a driving range of up to 395 km. All urban cruiser models can tow brake loads of up to 750 kilograms. The instrument panel seamlessly integrates a 10.25-inch combimeter and 10.1-inch multimedia touchscreen display into a single unit. Both displays can be customized to suit the driver's priorities for information and preferences for layout and readability. The multimedia system provides intuitive operation and prompt response. It offers both an embedded navigation system and access to efficient cloud-based route planning that is able to factor in the latest traffic flow information. Smartphones can be wirelessly integrated with the vehicle via both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. High-grade models provide a wireless device charger as standard. Customers can also monitor and manage their car's performance and functions remotely using the My Toyota app. Features include management of the battery's charging schedule and checks on its state of charge. It also provides convenience functions such as door locking and unlocking and operation of the air conditioning to warm or cool the cabin before making a journey.